Hi everyone, I'm Catherine, the artist behind Bigelow Fine Arts. Welcome to a behind-the-scenes exclusive. In this video, I will be showing my process behind how I pick my colors. I wanted to have a golden leaf with hints of green, so this is what I did. To begin, I pulled open my pencil drawers and searched for any colors that seemed to fit my criteria. I have a test page to see what the colors look like and a section of the book I can test on to see it on the book's paper. The paper in this book has a light yellow cast to it that can affect the colors, so a test coloring can be quite helpful. I am putting my test swatches close together so I can see how the colors look. I added in the pencil numbers for anyone looking to follow along a little. Most of the colors look well together. It is just a matter of figuring out which ones will give me the effect I want. I really look for a light, mid, and dark tone. I choose a couple of colors I think will work, and I am now working up a test coloring. I'll note the colors I am using as I use them. This is a slow process of trying a color. Maybe it works, or maybe I scrap it and pick a different color. One thing to note is that I misread the number on the green pencil as 175 when it was in fact 173, so you will see me correct that later on. Once I am happy with my color selections, I take those colors to my working page and color in my chosen leaves. I hope you found this video useful, a little behind the scenes look at my color picking process. If you like these, I can try to make more. This page will not be part of the main coloring process as I am saving it for test coloring, so if you like these behind the scenes, it will likely be featured more frequently. Thank you everyone for coming along and joining in with me on this coloring journey. Let me know below or on social media if you colored along. I'm on Twitter, Instagram, MeWe, and Patreon. Patreon has a short write-up of my palettes and a list of timestamps, and I've made them available for everyone. If you have any questions or page requests, please leave them below or reach out to me on social media. I put in a list of chapter breaks in the show notes, as well as a list of equipment I like to use. If you use any of my affiliate links, it really helps me out without costing you a thing. I want to thank you all so much for coming along and joining in with me on this coloring journey. I appreciate all my subscribers and look forward to more of you joining in and coloring along with me. Please like, share, and subscribe to help that happen. Until next time, happy coloring!